Hello and welcome to a new video. I've just recorded this particular video. I'm going to show you some of the challenges that you can face when editing. I've recorded a couple of clips and this actual video is quite a challenge to me, and I'll explain why. Why it's a challenge is because I actually want to import a video that is about reducing the size of a video. Now, why would that be a challenge? Well, I'm going to look at the properties section here, and the reason why it's a challenge, not only is it 234 megabytes, but in our summary section here we'll note that there's a duration of 10 minutes and 59 seconds. Oh, right, that is a challenge, isn't it? Let me explain the reason why. Well, the reason why is that YouTube, which is where this would have gone on to, would have been over the 10-minute level. We can probably get away with 10 minutes 59 seconds, but the additional clip that we're going to be including in these two clips here of intro would give us 1 minute 20. So in actual fact, this would have led to a significant challenge, because we would have ended up with 11 minutes and 20, which is over the limit used by YouTube. Now, this isn't a problem with every single aspect of our film and editing using Windows Movie Maker, and incidentally Windows Movie Maker is available on XP and Vista as a standard program. You'd have to look around for it, but you can also find access to it through the Windows Microsoft site. But it does mean that potentially you're going to have to do quite a good deal of editing before you can upload your end results. It is a large file to actually upload as well. Could be a challenge. Anyway, let me pause whilst we're just uploading that. Okay, here we have our video, the editing of film using Windows Movie Maker and reducing size. Let me show you the challenge. We have the challenge that once we add this particular video to our end clip, we have gone over to 12 minutes. So actually, in fact, I've got to reduce the film by 12 minutes. By going to the delete button on those, we have now reduced the film down to 11 minutes. So to actually get that video in, we have still got to reduce our film still more in size. So we have a number of options. We can trim our video. We can actually go to clip it. Let's have a look. Is that the right bits? Or do we need to actually go to somewhere else? Bear with me whilst I think about this. Oh, such fun, such fun, such fun. It's tempting at this point to seriously look at whether we actually want to be putting it on YouTube, or whether we want to edit it in a slightly different option. We can put it on other places and it will not be a problem, so please bear with me. Okay, welcome back again. I'm now looking at roughly where we are in the film. Take note, we can actually look into the film and see at any particular point on our play section exactly what we'll see here. Now this bit is ticking away. We look at our times and we can see exactly when we hit that 10:59. Now this is where it's so important. That is in actual fact is 10 minutes 59 seconds and 0.28 of a second. Okay, so we actually know this film's going to fit amazingly. So by editing and saving our movie, we are still going to be actually able to fit it in. We are still going to be able to edit our film, and we're going to call this editing using Movie Maker and 2 size, because that kind of seems to be the right thing to be doing. Now I then save we can see how much space potentially. You got a key thing here. You can go for the best quality of the movie on the computer, but we can also go for the size. Now 74 is actually not too bad, but okay, I can reduce this size. Watch this area here and watch that bit there. Yeah, those two key areas. As our figures change it down, and let's say we go down to 20 meg. So we're going down to 20 meg. We've got 19.8 meg, and we save. Now this is going to change this screen here shortly, and you'll see it zipping along. Alright, you'll see it zipping along as it saves. You're going to have an estimated time remaining, and you can see the percentage of use. 27 minutes, 28 minutes here. Now, we're not going to be able to watch this at 20 minutes. So trust me, this goes up, this will down to 100% loaded and 70 minutes remaining. I'm going to pause the video while we process that. Okay, with just 30 seconds left, you can see that we're able to save our film fairly quickly, and most importantly, we're going to be able to upload the film onto our broadcaster. In this particular case, we're aiming to make YouTube. Now, there are a lot of other broadcaster file sharing options that will allow you to, and most through the networking sites like Twitter, etc., will allow you to promote those films. So there are a number of options. If you don't feel YouTube is the answer, then don't panic. It may be that the content of the film is going to be longer than 10 minutes after you've done all your editing. So we've got 9 seconds left, and as you'll see shortly, it'll all be saved to what we want. We're going to be making it Movie Maker 2 size, and I shall just be stopping it as soon as we've got to the end of our 5 seconds, and I'll be looking for the film just to prove it's there for you, and then we may go on to the next stage of the process. There we go, let's hit that particular section. Now you can see that editing using Window Movie Maker to size is in actual fact saved, and I would have the option here to go to that particular file option, and we're going to have the option of going directly to File Upload, so that we can then pursue that particular option. And here you can see we've got our file size. We're very clear as to where we are. We've got 80.6 megabytes, and we've got 1 minute 51 of the film actually made or going up. And so we now know that we have gone from a large file of 200 and down. So it's all there, and you'll be able to find this particular video online. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch the video.